Hello, everybody. I died. But welcome to another episode of Overwatch with, just like I said last time, Soldier 76. And I'm gonna kill everybody! I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill everybody. No. Nope. Nope. Really? That was mean.
Knock me down and I'll keep getting back up.
Ha! See, I can be mean back. Do they seriously already have a shield gen? No! I hate her. I don't like her. I don't like her at all. How do they already have a shield generator? Oh! Stop it! Stop throwing your balls at me! I don't want your balls. No! He killed me with his balls.
The war goes on.
Oh no, not you, not you, not you! Run. Run! Really? I wish I knew when there was a wall behind me. Kill her! Kill her! Kill her! Nope. 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 Help. Nope.
Patched up.
Faster than you. You can't run like I can. Oh, stupid sniper. Just heal myself as I'm shooting you. What a great idea, huh? Oh, my healing ran out. But I'm at full health anyway, so ha! Die.
Into the iris.
Did he just say the universe is a shield or something? Oh, and I'm stunned. No, no, no! I don't like you, Shadow Storm. Bad Shadow Storm. Really, Soldier? You died too easy that time. Oh no, not you. Ow! Oh, McCree sniped me. Wow. I thought I was better than that.
I've got you in.
I'll kill you! Die! I'm gonna auto-target you.
Sweet.
Yes. I just got 2 extra kills for the team. Don't let her kill you! Don't let her kill me! Nope. I'm dead. Enemy needs 1 kill. We lost. No. No! No! Duh. I'll heal. I don't like you guys. Especially you. Of course you got to play the game. Stupid energy zapping. Zapper. Just went on a rampage. Come on. That's just not.
Brings a tear to my eyes.
We'll get him next time. I only got 1 solo kill. I did a lot of damage though, I think. 753 more than the max health in the game without a shield or any other type of buff that buffs your health somehow. Hello, Widowmaker. Did you guys know that Widowmaker used to be scared of spiders? Genji. No, escape. Look at his skin. I like this skin. Unless I get a cooler skin, I'm probably just gonna leave it like this. Wait, how many skins? I only have 2 skins for him. And that one's not even that cool. Moss. No. Midnight. No. Roy. Oh. Okay. Soldier. Boom. Oh, it's just skirmish. Yeah, 76. Let's all be soldiers. And I'm stunned. Yep. That's what a soldier is supposed to do. Run into the middle of nowhere, then get himself killed. No. No! You have like 3 health left. Well, that was easy. Uh-oh.
Hello there.
What? Who did that? No! It's like a movie. You get attacked and the screen just goes black. Come on. Ugh. Oh, the enemy already has 4. So I must have joined like just in the middle of a game. Where's the enemy? Okay, there is an enemy. Usually, I would have been killed by now. Oh no! Me! Oh! Another... my favorite person. Oh wait.
The war goes on.
No! That's my least favorite. We have no kills. That's my least favorite person. I'm Soldier 76 and that's Reaper. And no. Oh, something's healing me. I don't know what's healing me, but I like it. Oh no! Why can't our team be like that? Why doesn't our team ever work together? You know what? Yeah. I'll take my anger out on these fences since I'm not strong enough to beat an actual person. Okay. Now that I've taken my anger out on some fences, I'll go and do some actual fighting. No, Genji. I always hate Genji. He's so skinny. And he's so hard to hit because he won't stop moving for 2 seconds.
No rest for the
I think we lost. I'll kill you. Mercy. Who is killing me? Because it's not Mercy. She has her... Oh. I'm blind.
15 kills to win.
The war goes on.
I'm a soldier. Soldiers charge into things that they're not supposed to. And win. I win. Oh, wait. No, come back. You're gonna be my... Oh, no. No. Don't Ujinuki Kuki Day me. You're not allowed.
Mission ain't over yet.
Wait, why'd you change into that? There's nobody here, sir. I got our 1 kill. I'm proud of our 1 kill. One kill. Huh? Yeah, we lost. We definitely lost. We have 1 to 24.
Enemy needs 5 kills
Yep.
to win.
2 kills! Yay! You see, that's what happens when you have a Mercy on your side. No, kill Mercy!
Enemy needs 1 kill.
Come on. And they got 30. Blam. Kablam! Explode the fences. Destroy ya. Why is Mercy destroy ya? Wait, was that me? Oh, no, that's not me. Should have gotten the play of the game. I got our team's first kill. Out of 3 kills.
Epic.
Excellent.
We'll try to play one more round. If it doesn't take too long for this to load, then we'll try to play one more round. How many rounds has it been? How long have I been recording? I don't even, don't even know. Okay. Roadhog. How do you play as Roadhog? Let's see. I've never been him before. Oh, game found. Game found, guys. Let's go join the skirmish.
Prepare to attack.
It's not even skirmish this time. Yay! We can skip skirmish. Or however you pronounce it. I'm just gonna say skirmish. Three, 2, 1.
Fight.
We're all
I'm gonna run into danger, probably. You got in my way. You're the friend of the person who got in my way.
Your team has taken the lead.
Oh, what? What? He accidentally hit me or something? Oh, I didn't even know
I'm
bear
not
traps did
young
damage.
anymore.
Your team has lost the lead.
That's better.
See you later.
Oh. Help me. Oh, he died.
Target.
And I got caught in the bear trap again. Wow.
The war goes on.
No. Oh, whoa. Oh, I thought I just spawned in the bulk of the enemy. Oh. Nope. No. No, 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 no. Oh no. Oh, whoa. Above you! Oh. Really?
No rest for the weary.
Got him. I think I'm getting better at soldier. Come on, Roadhog. I'm gonna stay behind you because you have a lot of health. Where are you going? Come on, we can get him. Yes. Got him. Oh. Was that a kill streak? Kinda?
The war goes on.
Not really, but kinda.
Ahorita regreso. Located.
Ah! Oh no! No! Without my little bombs, I can't fight the big guys. And I use my little bombs.
The enemy needs 15 kills to win.
What is that? What does that even mean? Oh, if she hacks you, then you can't use your stuff. Oh, and that. Okay.
I don't
Well,
care
now at
till
least
the
I know
fight's done.
what happens when you get hacked.
Beacon in place.
I just used my micro missiles on nothing. Can I get rid of her hack? No, not really. They have more than us. Oh shoot. You better not be firing the hole in me. Ah, come on.
Enemy needs 10
Knock me
kills
down
to
and I'll
win.
keep getting back up.
Been here all along.
Oh shoot. No, don't nerf.
This
Oh.
old dog's tricks.
Got him. Yes, yes.
Come here, get stabilized.
That's right. Come here, get stabilized. Oh, stabilizes and is over.
Enemy needs 5 kills to win.
Enemy needs 5 kills to win, guys.
Knock me down and I'll keep getting back up.
Translocating. Beacon in place.
Whoa. Come on.
Enemy needs 4 kills to win.
Where's my team?
Mission ain't over yet.
Enemy needs 3 kills.
Up here. No, Sombra, stop that. I need to use my
Enemy
ultimate
needs
on something. On Sombra! Come on, something else to shoot. Dang it. I got 1 kill. You running for? No, we were defeated. What is he trying to chew on? Oh, a coin. He's trying to chew on his metal.
of the game. Epic.
Sensational.
I'm not gonna commend you, Sombra. I hate you. I did tons of hero damage. Even though I didn't get a gold medal. Ooh, I got a gold medal for solo kills. Well, that will be it for this game, guys. And
Select your
I'll see you in the next one.